Come here.
Go. Come on. Yay!
Let's do it again. You're so good at it. Come on. Come on.
Go back some, Joe. Yay! Oh, good walking! Yay, big boy! Yay! You ready? Do it some more.
Let's do
Go
it
do it
again.
again. Walker just started walking Saturday, and today is Monday, January 31st.
Oh, I'm overzealous.
All right, and you get really excited, don't you? Look at you go! Yay! Yay! One more time. Make it a good one. Tell Daddy to scoot back a little more. Oh, whoa, you can do... Oh. Stand up.
Let's get up.
All right, tell Daddy to scoot back.
Wow. I'm coming, I'm coming.
All right, ready, set, go. Go.
Come on.
All right, yeah.